ഭംഗിയുണ്ട്.
ഇഷ്ടമില്ല?
ഇട്ടോ നല്ല ഭംഗിയുണ്ട്.
ലൈറ്റ് കളർ എനിക്കും തോന്നുന്നു.
इसमें कलर है क्या? वो കാണാനില്ല.
ഭംഗിയുണ്ട്. പ്ലാസോ കുറച്ച് വലുതായില്ലേ? ഹീൽസ് ഇട്ട ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ?
2 hours later.
Looking at different shops and items, we finally decided to shop for someone else, that is my mom, and then we were also simultaneously checking out different options, and finally I found the perfect dress. Now I'm not going to be revealing it directly over here, but stay tuned till the end to see which one I got. Now honestly I loved all of the styles, but I was trying to do something different from last year, so before I actually finalized one outfit.
2 hours later.
I've ordered good flipping burgers today because Arya has been behind my back कि उसको good flipping खाना है.
हे रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
The Cluckinator जो मैंने ट्राई किया है, Sea Clucker which is something new and I love their classic nuggets, तो मैं वो ट्राई करने वाली हूँ अभी. Honestly it's a bit controversial but over McDonald's I would any day choose good flipping burgers. मुझे Louis Burger और McDonald's से ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है ये. And this is my third time that I'm trying and honestly I've loved all of the burgers. I've never had an issue, but one of my favorites is the Grilla. So if you're going to be trying good flipping burgers, go ahead, try the chicken nuggets, try the Grilla burger. And if you want their best seller, then why not Cluckinator? But it's very similar to KFC chicken burger. So I love the Grilla over it. But yeah, good flipping burger never disappoints. So I tried the classy Clucker one. It's quite similar to the Cluckinator, but I guess अंदर का filling is a little bit different. This has chipotle mayo sauce in it and lot of different veggies. This tastes even better, I feel. I prefer the classy Clucker over the Cluckinator. How's the chicken nuggets?
It's nice, but I prefer the McDonald's nuggets.
I love the good flipping burger ones. Now try the Cluckinator. This is their best seller. How's it?
It's similar to KFC, but this is better.
है ना?
The next day.
So this is day 3 of shopping and now since my outfit is done, it's time to shop for other family members. So for that we went to Borivali first, but unfortunately we didn't find anything over there. So we came back to Malad and we started shopping over there. So we went to different stores again, but this time it was also for sari, so it was taking a little bit longer than the previous days. So we finalized on one sari and also got another outfit, and with that our shopping spree comes to an end. Then I also shopped for another item which I'm not going to be revealing in this video, but it's going to definitely come in the upcoming videos.
क्या कर रहे हैं यार तू?
2 hours later.
Story time. हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे and we got interrupted. Why?
Because there was a monkey.
Because there was a monkey, इसलिए हमें छोड़ के आना पड़ा शूट. But thankfully main dance तो शूट हो गया. What do you think? वापस जाए?
Wonderworld magic.
She's the videographer, by the way.
The next day. The next day.
Hi guys, so I also had to show you a couple of things. First is this package that I got. This is from Janasya and I got a kurti from there. I want to try out the brand. I remember trying out a Sharara set long ago back in lockdown, so I want to give it another shot, and the offers were also really good, so I thought of buying it out. Something that's perfect for festive season. It does look good. अब पहनने के बाद ही I guess समझेगा कि how is it gonna look, but honestly I तो like the fabric as well. The texture is also very good. Fabric बहुत अच्छा है इसका, thick material है, and the design is also so beautiful. It's not that bright red kind of thing, it's like in the maroonish range, so I think I like this one. So the second thing is actually something that I got from Mumbai. Now if you have seen Apna Wholesale Bazaar, they create like a lot of reels at this point for their Diwali season, and we were around there at that point, so mom said let's just go and give it a shot. तो हम जाके आए एंड टू माई सरप्राइज हमें इतने सारे वेराइटीज मिले. I'll show you what I got. तो these malas for decoration. ये हम गणपति डेकोरेशन के टाइम पे भी यूज करते हैं, तो इट्स गोना कम रियली हैंडी. This beautiful दिया सेट, जस्ट लुक एट दोज कलर्स एंड पैटर्न्स, कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. अंदर से भी द पिंक इज सो ब्राइट कि जब आप ये बाहर लगाओगे इट्स जस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली गोना लुक सो ब्यूटिफुल वंस इट गेट्स लाइटेंड अप. तो आई गॉट दिस. Even just look at those decoration, it looks so good. This is like a pack of 6 that I got for 140 rupees. Quite a good deal, I believe. ये lights, मेरे पास already वो ball वाले lights थे and stars भी थे, but वो अब हम 3-4 साल से continuously we're repeating it and we want to add more lights this year. So we've got this. This also has that star element, but the colors are warm and it's a bit more elongated, a little bit more different as well from what we have already. So ये डालने के बाद it's just gonna enhance the whole beauty. This, just look at this दिया. मैं in shots डालते रहूँगी how these actually look after getting decorated. But just look at this beautiful दिया. जैसे ही मेरी इस पे नजर पड़ी I was like we have to take it. This is so beautiful. Specifically हम अंदर जब रंगोली लगाने के बाद we're gonna keep this दिया so that it just enhances the whole beauty of the rangoli. So yeah, these were some things that I got from अपना wholesale bazaar. I don't know इसपे price तो नहीं लिखा है तो मुझे इसका price नहीं पता, but it's quite affordable I think. और इतनी सारी variety मिलती है, but हाँ बहुत भीड़ होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़. Yeah, I will see you very very soon.
The next day.
Hi guys, so I've just completed my Diwali shoot with Bhumika Di. She's done such an amazing job. I really loved the makeup. Let me introduce you to Bhumika Di.
Hello, happy Diwali guys. Tell me how does she look? Please comment and tell me. And we have almost met after 2 years I guess.
2 years.
And it really feels like yesterday. So that's the vibe that me and Veena we both share. And I really hope that you have an amazing Diwali. And over to you, Veena.
Thank you so much for doing this beautiful look. I absolutely loved and I'm also really excited for the content that's gonna go live.
Yes.
So stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned. Happy Diwali. Bye-bye.
Happy Diwali. Bye.
Two hours later.
Happy Diwali everyone. This is my final outfit. What do you think about this outfit? This is what I selected from all of the shopping that I did that day. And I checked so many outfits but finally figured out this one. This was like an instant hit. I went into the store, I saw this and I had to pick it up. What do you think? Let me know. I already had a dupatta, I just removed it, but I'm going to be sharing the pictures as well. And I hope that you guys have an amazing Diwali. Let me know what do you think about this video in the comments.